Hey Paul, what's up?
Hey Katie, I became data dread.
What's wrong, Paul?
I wish I can ask any data question from any database in plain English.
Of course, dude. NewFangled has invented Conversatix BI.
Are you serious? What is Conversatix BI?
Conversatix BI empowers business users to get data insights in plain English from databases.
Oh wow! Tell me more about Conversatix BI.
Conversatix BI is NLP-based, no-code data analytics platform. Some big organizations are already using Conversatix BI.
Oh, that's very impressive. Can you show me how it works?
Sure, just connect to your database and start asking the questions. For example, let's find out the average revenue by my top performing departments. Or let's compare two entities in a duration. You can easily find the statistics for your top performers. We can also find the entities above below a threshold. Or let's see the monthly growth by my top agent.
Okay, great. Can I create the dashboard too using Conversatix BI without coding or designing?
Of course, it has AI-driven dashboards feature. You just have to give 3 inputs: widget name, your preferred chart, and ask any data questions. Conversatix BI has an advanced slicing and dicing feature, enables users to filter other widgets seamlessly, to narrow down data for a deeper analysis. Here is an example to analyze monthly performance. It allows you to put nested filters narrowing down the scope to reach the exact problem point very easily. Isn't it great? You can also clear the filter easily to create different combinations. Conversatix BI also provides a very strong AI-based drill-down feature. If you want to drill down a single widget, trying to find the root cause of a problem, Conversatix BI allows you to jump to any dimensions very quickly, narrowing down the scope to understand the data much better. Want to have a conversation with your databases? Then we are just a call away.